I'm Ugu from TechCornerTV, and like every Monday at 8 AM GMT, I have another mailbag for you. Thank you for joining in. Let's not waste any more time and let's start unboxing. Last week was a little weak on package delivery. I know there is some package here that are not for the tech channels. Let's start with this one. As you might know, I already told you, Irene, that is my wife, has also a blog that belongs to us and a channel, and right now we are also ordering for that channel, and it's a lifestyle channel, and I know that this one is for the recipes that she does on the channel. So those are measuring cups, yeah, not anything tech. Let's take this out of here. Today will be a fast unpacking. Okay, let's open this also. I know this is also for our blog. Let's see what we have here. And yeah, metal straws, I believe. Yeah. Okay, nice. It's for beverages. Yeah, and that's it for today. For our blog, it's done. So let's start unpacking stuff for the channel. And yeah, let's start with this one. It's not for the channel, it's personally for me. I buy a lot in Tech Data. It's a European supplier. And this is some storage. Yeah, some storage for backups, not backups, for storing the old videos and stuff like that. It's Ironwolf, a Seagate Ironwolf, 4 terabytes. Yeah, and yeah, that's nothing special. Also, let's continue with this. Okay, and yeah, let's open this first one. Okay, for a time now I was trying to buy one of these tools, and let me show you. I hope that it brings batteries so I can show this working. Well, it brings batteries and I believe it's on. Yeah. Okay, so this is a caliper, and the amazing stuff from this is a fractional caliper. So when testing stuff, you can have here the fraction. I will give you an example. For example, if you are measuring pipes, it will give you the size in fractions. That is quite useful. For example, for screws, you will have the measure in inches but in fractional size. For example, the normal screws for cameras are for a 1/4 inch, and you will be able to see easily how the measure is. And yeah, you also have millimeters. Let me zero this, millimeters, and you also have inches. This was about 15 euros, delivered from Spain. I live in Portugal, so it's basically local. And yeah, I think this is a wonderful tool. We have here the battery compartment. I thought that this will be all in aluminium. I don't know, I'm not quite sure if this is metal. I think it's plastic. I will do a review of this later. It also comes with this box for storage. Has here a technical specification with features. Yeah, maintenance instructions. Okay. It seems a very nice product. This will have a review of its own also. This is for the Technology Electronics channel. the BBT-580. Let me show you. And well, this is bigger than I initially thought that it will be. Okay, so what we have here, it's a desoldering gun. This part hits and it will, after that, suck the solder from the PCB or whatever you have it. Well, this doesn't seem, yeah. This is a Chinese product, of course, and yeah, it was also about 15. I don't know. I think it was about 15 euros or something like that. Also delivered from Europe. We can exchange the tip we have here. It brings a small iron to clean up the tip, to take the solder. And yeah, we have several measures, some bigger than the others, to replace. This one is the thinnest. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, like this. It's the thinnest. And we have also this small iron to clear the entrance. Yeah, oops. Okay. And the last one. I think I also know what this is, and it also will have its own review on the electronics channel. And oops, I did it again. I bought an oscilloscope. To be honest, these little guys impress me a lot. They are not expensive, and I want to do a review on this one. I already did a review on the DSO-150. We have here a small manual in English. Yeah, it's enough. This one has battery. The DSO-150 doesn't have a battery. I don't have here a function generator to test it. I have a battery. Let's see. I have a small battery. Let's see how it handles. Okay, so let's see if I can. Okay, I'm being lazy. Let me take this out. And let's see what it says. Okay, I don't know if you can see the line moving. This is DC, so it's continuous current, does not have a oscillation. And yeah, see it here? It seems pretty fast. Yeah, it has to be. So I will do a review on this. It seems pretty simple. It has 1 time or 10 times support for probes. Let's see, like this. Yeah, we have it here 1 time, 10 times. AC/DC menu. We have a menu. Yeah, nice. Auto, multi-buffer, save wave, calibration, night mode. Let's see how it is the night mode. Night mode on. I don't see a difference. Okay, night mode. I prefer night mode. Yeah, totally. So yeah, have here. It doesn't come with a. It comes with a charging cable. We have here the USB port and the cable. It seems a very nice unit. I don't know, but I think this was about 35 euros. It seems a nice oscilloscope. I will compare it. I will do a review and compare it with the DSO-150, and pretty soon, I believe. So yeah, nice. If you are starting, this will be a nice device. I will show you how it works and everything else on the review, but yeah, it seems okay. After seeing the DSO-150, one thing, this one supports up to 5 MHz. The 150 supports up to 200K, 200 kilohertz. Yeah, I'm pumped up to see how this works. Okay, it was a fast mailbag today. I had not so much to open this week. I hope to see you soon. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It helps the channel and it helps TechCorner, the project. And if you did subscribe, please don't forget to hit that bell so you can be the first one to be notified every time I launch a new video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.